Hello student, today I am going to discuss about the 3G exercise and hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, this is also a type of question, and in this type of the question, a student has confused that how can I arrange it as in the form of cube. And you know that a cube has no problem. 2 root 2 has been given. And you know very well that 2 root 2 can be written as 2 into root 2. And you also know that when root a is multiplied by root a, then its value is a. So a can be written in the form of root a into root a. And this is why 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. And it is also multiplied by root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. And this is why 2 root 2 can be written as root 2 cube, because it has been multiplied 3 times. Similarly, you can just see that in case of 3 root 3, 3 root 3 can be written as 3 into root 3, and 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. And there is already 1 root 3, and this is why it can be written as root 3 cube. And by this way you have to rearrange it. 2 root 2 can be written as root 2 cube and a, and you know very well that 2 root 2 a cube, which is equal to 2 root 2 can be written as root 2 cube. And there is a cube, and you know very well that a cube into b cube is equal to ab whole cube, and this is why it can be written as root 2a whole cube. You have to utilize this process in this question to solve. It can be easily be written as root 2a whole cube plus 3 root 3b cube can be written as root 3b whole cube plus c cube, and you have to rearrange it 3 into root 2a into root 3b into c, and you can just see that when you multiply 3 into root 2 into root 3, then what you get, 3 into root 2 into root 3 is equal to root 6, and this is why you can write down 3 root 6, and there is a b c, and this is why when it is multiplied then you get a b c. Now the question is in processing, and now you can apply the identities x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and you know very well that it is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx very easily. And this is why you can write root 2a plus root 3b plus c into root 2 square plus root 2a square plus root 3b square plus c square minus root 2a into root 3b minus root 3b into c minus c into root 2a. And after that you know very well that final result will be root 2a plus root 3b plus c into root 2a square, and you know very well that root 2a square means root 2a into root 2a, root 2 into root 2 is 2a into a square. So you can write 2a square plus, when you multiply then you get 3b square plus c square minus root 2 is multiplied by root 3, then you get root 6ab minus root 3bc minus root 2ca. That will be the product of this algebraic expression or polynomial that you say. My dear student, in this question you can just see that 3 root 3a cube can be written as root 3a cube minus b cube can be written as plus minus b cube and minus 5 root 5c cube. Since 5 root 5 is equal to root 5 cube, so it can be written as minus root 5c cube, and minus 3 root 15 abc can be arranged at minus 3 into root 3a into minus b into minus root 5c. And when it is expressed in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, then you know very well that it can be written as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So we have just arranged in this form, and after that you have to just solve, and in the final step we just get root 3a minus b minus root 5c. This is one factor, and another factor is 3a square plus b square, because root 3a square 3a whole square be written as 3a square minus b square can be written as b square minus plus, and root 5 c square can be written as 5c square minus plus root 3a multiplied by b, that is root 3ab. And similarly you can just see that minus plus minus, because minus is multiplied 3 times, so there is a minus sign. Root 5c is multiplied by b, root 5bc, and at last minus plus root 5 is multiplied by root 3, then it is get root 15 and c into a ca. So second factor is actually 3a square plus b square plus 5c square plus root 3ab minus root 5bc plus root 15 ca.